Welcome to Slumber Party. I'm so excited to have you guys here. This has been a labor of love. Here you can see our cozy home where we invite you to come and play some games. They're selectable on the TV, and you can grab a seat at the couch, get a little blanket on you, and play the games with your friends. It's so nice. Heading outside, we've got loads of activities at the beach. Hot tub, food, and of course we have our friend Sandy. She's one of our guides here. You'll find Sandy and Reef. They are NPCs that you can talk to and ask questions about how the world works and where to go and give you some advice. Are those high dives? Yes, they are. Try them out with the blob and launching your friends. And of course, we've got a trampoline. There's boats you can ride. Here you can even capture the fireflies and loads of secret activities you have to discover. Whoa, we've just traveled! And there are loads of these little travel things everywhere. And up here you can find a couple outfits, like this one, which allows us to put on a little swimsuit before we hop on the unicorn. It'll take us all the way down. It's a lot of fun, and every ride is a little bit unique, which I really love. Also, note that it's a family water slide, so you can see how many people you can fit on the unicorn without falling off. Oh, is that a message in a bottle? I wonder what it says. I guess I'll have to find out later. Role-playing as magician, check out these potions. These things are fantastic. The red one is definitely my favorite. You can either throw it in the fire or you can drink it. Let's go ahead and try drinking. Woo! Here we are on top of the volcano, and there's those water slides I'd mentioned. And I think I've just discovered wings. That's right, you can find wings and unlock different styles of wings, equip them, and go for a flight. It's a lot of fun to fly around. Oh, there's a little butterfly up there. And down here, we've got an elephant. Both of these were designed with Meta's Gen AI 3D modeling tool, saving us time and adding cute creatures to our world. So love that. And some of these outfits that you're seeing, we also designed with AI. This is another outfit we've just acquired. Lifeguard? Nope. Today, I want to be an ice cream scooper. Let's get some ice cream scooping on. Nice! We're making ice cream cones! And it's time to eat it. Let's go. Yummy. Delicious. Another bite of that. And right here, we can select an outfit. There's all sorts of outfits for you to unlock, from different Halloween outfits, costumes you can wear, fun Splash-inspired outfits. You'll find that some outfits come with a bottom and top. And there's the lifeguard one that we just were wearing. That's so cool. And of course, some really fun hand-drawn ones mixed in with some of our AI ones. So thank you, Meta AI, for helping us make these awesome outfits and getting us so many for you guys to wear and have fun. Hear that? So many of the sound effects you'll hear across our world were made with AudioGen, and we are so grateful because it gave us unique sounds you'll hear nowhere else. All right, that's just about gonna do it for me. We will see you in Slumber Party!